Food for Life, under its environmental program Varadev, has been cleaning around ISKCON, starting from the Raman Reti and all the way up to Chir Ghat. And areas around ISKCON is being covered where we are collecting waste from all the ashrams and the households. And the waste is collected and then it's taken to a central point in Jugal Ghat ramp where the tractor and trolley collects the waste and the waste is segregated. We are taking care that when the waste is collected, all the plastic is segregated from there and the maximum of it can be recycled. And Food for Life under its environmental program is going to set up a paper recycling unit also, and for that segregation of paper is also going on. And we are also doing a vermicompost, and under vermicompost, whatever organic waste we are collecting, like the leaves and the flowers and the leftover food items, we are taking it to our vermicompost site in Kiki Nangla, where it's being converted into organic manure, which is used for tree plantation on the parikrama as well as for our trees in the nursery. In 2000. When Food for Life took up the renovation of Navakaroli Ghat, all these stairs, they were under silt and there were a lot of plastic in it. So it took us 6 months just to take up the stairs and bring out the ghats, and then we started leveling up the land and taking out all the mud and all the plastic and all the silt from here, and then we started planting the grass. As you can see, it took, within the last 3 years, all the grass and the trees have also been planted, and all this project has been accomplished with the help of a lot of sponsors from all around the world.